After removing the scope from the AER and wiping it down with a lint-free cloth, open up a new pack of connectors. First, connect the air-water suction, then cap off the biopsy port. Lastly, connect to the irrigator port. The scope is now ready to be moved to the Dri-Scope Aid cabinet. On the tablet, select an available slot. Then, select or search for the scope you are going to dry. Press the Next button. Then, select the user checking in the scope. Press the Next button. After confirming the information on the screen, press OK. Hang the scope on the corresponding hook selected. Take the tubing connected to that port and secure it to the scope by threading it on. Once the top connectors have been hooked up, move to the bottom manifold and attach the tubing that corresponds to the hanger. The status screen on the tablet will indicate where in the drying process each scope is. Green indicates that the drying cycle is complete. Orange indicates it is actively drying. Each scope will also indicate how long it has been waiting in the queue, how much time is left on the dry cycle, and how much hang time it has left. When you are ready to take a scope to the procedure room, go to the tablet and select the scope you want to remove. Next, tap on Checkout to initiate the checkout process. Select Checkout, then select the user removing the scope. Press the Next button and confirm the information is correct. You can now disconnect the tubing from the irrigator port, securing the tubing in the tubing guide. Continue the same process at the top manifold. Unthread the tubing from the air-water suction connector, remove the biopsy cap, and discard the single-use connectors. You are now ready to begin the next procedure.